air pollution, where AQI is crossing 400 every day and reaching up to the 1000, which is severe. Today, living in Delhi feels like living in the gas chambers. Breathing is not easy, eyes feels itchy, throats feels choked. Even while I'm recording this video, my throat feels choked and my eyes are watery and feeling itchy and irritated. This is the condition of Delhi. My question from the Delhi government is, if these situations are not enough to declare public health emergency, then what is the criteria? Are we waiting for the hospitals to get flooded with the people with respiratory issues? Because this is already happening. Lancet Medical Journals already stated that thousands of people die because of air pollution. Then what more do we need? What are we waiting for? What steps will the government take to tackle the pollution? Children, elderly people, and those with the lungs and heart disease are the first victim of this toxic air. According to doctors, even the healthy children are showcasing the symptoms like asthma. Pregnant women who are exposed to this air are at the risk of delivering premature babies. And according to various medical reports, this pollution is linked to neurological growth and diabetes in children. And the crisis doesn't stop at health. It affects children's education with schools shut down, with outdoor activities shut down, and it costs billions with lost working hours and reduced efficiency. According to economists, if one can't breathe, one can't work. If one cannot work, then economy will suffer. Now we'll be talking about the air pollution's impact on poor people, where we have people who are privileged enough to buy air purifiers and masks for themselves, but there is a strata of people जो अपने लिए एक समय का खाना नहीं ले पा रहे हैं, वो मास्क और एयर प्योरीफायर खरीदने का बर्डन कैसे बेयर कर पाएंगे? How will they be able to bear the expense of doctor and oxygen therapy? जहाँ एक समय पर एयर सबके लिए इक्वली अवेलेबल थी, क्या अब ये एक नया लग्जरी बन चुका है? Will the air be considered as the new parameter for poverty? Will the availability of air will be determined by the level of your income? Who will answer all these questions? Delhi's air crisis is no longer just an environmental issue. It is a health emergency, economic emergency, and a social inequality. The air we are breathing has become a symbol when development ignores the public health. This is Nishu Sharma from Clip News India reporting from New Delhi. और आगे की खबर जानने के लिए हमारे साथ बने रहिए। तब तक के लिए धन्यवाद।